to my lovely sister. I do this for you. I spend a lot of money for you. I hope you're happy with this. Okay? Sit. Let's go. La 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 la. Hey bro. Let's go. Kejap.
Nak ambil video. Lagi besar apa pun ni tau.
Salat bro. My sister, I would like to say that I very very love you. So today I will give you the salad. Sorry low budget tu.
Bunga ni pun boleh pula beli.
Ya.
Alah, sejuk betul bunga ni.
Salad. Tak mampu beli buket. Salad je lah. Tenang.
Yang bau dia.
Bau kemesah.